record. Okay, so after the ledger, yung nasa GC natin, the next step of accounting will be the unadjusted trial balance. So kailangan may heading, the business title, okay, and then the title of the statement that you're going to produce, which is an adjusted trial balance as of March 31, 2019. And then accounting title, debit and credit columns. Okay, and then cash, office supplies, cleaning supplies, machinery and equipment, accounts receivable, accounts payable, M-Oro capital, M-Oro withdrawal, service income, taxes and licenses expense, salaries and wages expense, and utilities expense. So they have a total of 779,000 pesos, and on our debit, yan, nag-balance siya sa ating amount sa credit, which is 779,000 pesos. Next will be statement of financial position or the balance sheet. Okay, Madison Oro Laundry Shop business. And then for the month of March 31, 2019, then sort natin yung lahat ng assets. Ayan, nakasort yan hanggang accounts receivable into their types. So there are two current assets. Ito yan, lahat current assets. Okay, pinag-add natin cash, office supplies, cleaning supplies, and accounts receivable are all current assets. Okay, add natin yan. We will have 442,000 pesos. Next, isa lang yung ating non-current asset, which is machinery and equipment. Okay, 250,000 pesos. Add lang natin the two. Now we have total assets. 669 pesos. Sorry, 692. Sorry. 692 pesos. Okay, next. Punta na tayo sa liabilities and owner's equity. So, since isa lang yung ating liability here, so meron tayong accounts payable. Lagay natin liability. So we only have accounts payable, and our accounts payable ay 150,000 pesos. Next, punta na kagad tayo. So lagay na natin agad total liabilities. Yan din yan, 150 pesos. Ayan, mag-uulit ba siya? Ayan, sige, yan na lang. Owner's equity. So we have M-Oro capital. And then, ililess natin dyan yung withdrawal. M.Oro withdrawal. Okay. So, hindi na po ang capital natin, hindi na 500,000. Okay, hindi na 500,000 plus. It will now be, sige, punta tayo ng income statement. Gagawa tayo para meron tayong exact amount ng capital sa ating balance sheet. Sige, extend lang natin. It's okay. Mr. Egania. Wait lang, klase. Kuhanin natin si Mr. Lance. Wala sila sa breakout room. So, simple lang palagi yung ating income statement class. Simple lang siya. Oops. So, all we have to do is to get the gross income or gross service income. Sige, I'll help you check kung paano siya. And then, ililist lang natin yung ating expenses. And then, of course, meron na tayong net income. Diba yung equation natin na revenue minus expenses equals net income or net loss? So, yan din yon. Get the total gross service income. So, tingnan natin magkano yung gross service income natin. Ito yung class, di ba? 129,000. So, yan yung ilalagay natin. 129,000. Sige, extend ko lang para ayan, lahat makita nyo. Ayan. So, lagay natin 129,000 pesos. Kita, class? Ito yun, oh. Okay, 129,000 pesos. Lilist natin yung expenses natin. Ito yun. We have 3. So, total natin, magkano yan? So, equals, lagay natin. Equals yung sum nito. Ayan. Pero, lalagyan natin siya ng parentheses. Okay, ayaw ka siya. So, subtract natin. Tama? 77,000 pesos. Ayan. So, meron na tayong magkano yung ating net income na. So, gross service income, 129,000 minus the total expenses na 77,000. We have okay. Saan withdrawals? Dito, Mr. Roque? Kasali po siya talaga sa ating balance sheet. Ayan, owner's equity. Kasali talaga siya. And then liability. Ayan, and then total assets. Okay, ayan. Sige, laging basis natin itong trial balance. Ito po. Ayan. So, para maiba yung amount natin, maiiba kasi yung amount natin ng capital eh. Kapag na-apply na natin itong income statement. Now, magkano na? 129,000 minus 77,000. We have, yan, Ms. Jamela, 52? 52,000, okay. It's 52,000 net income. Now, so highlights natin yan. Kailangan siya naka-highlights. Ayan. This 52,000 pesos will now be added to our capital, 500. So pag-add natin yan, equals ito, 500 and ito po, 52. We have 552. Nakuha nyo class kung paano siya na-compute? Ulit. This 500,000 must be added to the total net income. Okay, ipag-add po. Yes, Mr. Christian.
Kaya po ulit yung pag-add?
Okay, this one, yung capital. Diba? Ang basis mo ng capital will be the trial balance. Okay. Before you proceed to the balance sheet, which is ito, kailangan gawa ka muna ng income statement. Okay? After trial balance, okay, ang next ay balance sheet. Ito. Pero ang magagawa mo lang until assets. Okay? Kapag ginawa mo ng income statement, doon mo lang mako-complete yung balance sheet. And that is if you add your net income to your total capital. Okay? Ibig sabihin ko, hindi dapat 500 pesos yung ilalagay nyo dito sa capital. Hindi po, hindi 500,000 pesos. Okay? Mali po yan. Mali. It's not 500,000 pesos. It must be 552,000 pesos kasi, again, the effect ng service income at expenses ay sa capital. Okay, ang effect ng income or sales at lahat ng expenses, ang effect nun will be to the capital ng owner. Okay, kaya 552 po ito. Now, lalagay na natin itong withdrawal. This one, 10,000 pesos. So, 10,000 pesos. Or pwede natin lagyan ng parenthesis. Kasi it's a deduction. Ayan. Maliit ba, class? I-zoom nyo na lang ha. Di ba merong zoom? Ayan, doon sa... Now, lagay na natin ng total owner's equity. Magkano yung ating total owner's equity equals... Okay, 542, correct. And then this 542, transfer lang natin. Paste natin. Ay, ayaw siya ma-paste. 542 plus our accounts payable na 150. So, meron na tayong total liabilities and owner's equity. Oh, correct. Yeah, balance siya, right? Equals sum nito and ay. Ayaw nyo magpa-add. Yeah. It's 692,000 pesos. Ayan po. Balance na siya. Lipat na lang natin ito. 542,000 pesos. And this one, 150. Ayan. Delete na lang. Ayan, yes. Equals na siya. Equal na siya. Right? 692,000. Merong may tanong. Ayan, paano siya naging ganyan yung answer? Meron ba kayong question? May nalilito? Yes, Miss Jamela.
Sir, kailangan po ba uunahin po yung income statement bago po masagutan tong owner's equity po?
Yes, palagi po. Hindi pwedeng ilagay mo ito nga, hindi nga pwede kasi yung effect kasi nga ng income or ng revenue in general, and all the expenses, ang effect ay dun sa withdrawal. Sa capital. So sige, try natin. Kunyari, ganito siya, class. Example, hindi natin gagawin yung income statement. So lagay natin dito 500,000. Kasi based on our trial balance, the capital is 500,000 pesos. Magle-less lang tayo ng 10,000 for the withdrawal. Magkano? We have 490, right? 490. Will it be equal to, pag in-add natin, sige, add natin, we have 640,000. Tama? 640,000 lang. Ayan. 640,000 pesos. As you can see, it is not equal to our total assets. Tama? So, for you to be able to produce an accurate or correct financial statement, punta ka na muna ng income statement. Okay? Kasi hindi po ina-add basta-basta, diba? Dito meron kang total liabilities plus owner's equity. Hindi mo i-add dito sa iyong total liabilities plus owner's equity. And lalong hindi mo rin i-add dito sa total owner's equity mo. It must be on your total capital. Okay? Total capital po dapat ang naiiba na amount. Okay? Nakuha po. So, kunyari, lagay mo ulit dito. Yeah, it will give you dito sa owner's equity. Dito ka magpa-plus ng iyong net income, 52,000. Magko-correct din siya. Okay? Kasi 500. Pero, paano yung tamang labeling? Okay? Hindi mo siya malilabel ng tama. The correct labeling must be, again, the effect ng income or revenue at expenses ay sa capital. Therefore, your capital amount here will now be changed. Okay, from 500,000, you have to add. So, lagay natin 500,000. Add natin 0. Ayan, yeah. Ipa-plus natin. Yung 52,000 para meron ka ng capital na bago, which is 552,000 pesos. Ayan. Ganyan siya. So, question, paano naman ito kapag negative? O, yan. Kunyari negative. So, taasan natin. Kunyari, 177 naman. 177,000 yung expenses. 177,000. Wait lang. Baguhin natin. Example lang ha. O, 177,000. O, paano naman yung ating net? So, our net will now be, not an income, will be loss na siya. O, so, magkano? Pakideduct po. Ganyan din. So, negative. Tama? Hindi. Tama? 129,000 minus 177, 48 pala siya, 48. Pero negative, right? Tama? Negative 48,000. Negative 48,000. O, paano naman ang effect ng net loss sa, syempre, sa capital din. Therefore, yung 500,000 natin, okay, 500,000 ito, you have to deduct. Magde-deduct na kayo. Kasi nga, net loss. Ayan ba yung class na bago na siya. Yan. So, negative 48,000 pesos. Okay. So, instead of 500,000, 40, maglo-loss tayo. 452 dapat. 452,000 pesos. Nakuha nyo, class? Ibig sabihin, again, the capital will change its amount depending on the income statement. Okay? So, depending on the revenue and expenses. Ayan po. Meron bang tanong? So, yun nga, Ms. Jamela, hindi mo siya makokompleto. Okay? Hindi pwedeng basta dito ka lang mag-add ng income statement mo or example, tapusin mo muna tong balance sheet mo and then punta ka ng income statement. Hindi po. Kailangan punta ka muna sandali ng income statement para tama yung amount mo and labeling on your capital kasi yun nga yung effect niya on the capital, yung revenue and expenses. So, sige, balik na natin, 52,000 pesos. Ayan. $542. Ayan, may question, class? Meron bang question? Ayan, so balik na natin to. The total expenses ay 77. And then 690. Any question? Meron ba kayong question? Before we proceed to worksheet. Ayan. Yung worksheet lang, it's not included in the accounting cycle, but worksheet. Preparation ng worksheet will help the accountants and the bookkeeper with the proper parang yun, analysis or overview of the financials or amounts. Yun yung help ng worksheet. So, let me move. Ayan, sige. Isisend ko naman to. Don't worry. I'll be sending this sa ating GC. Yes, Mr. Christian, may question?
Chair, kailan po namin malalaman yung score po namin sa summative test?
Summative test? Pwede naman. Meron naman na akong mga nag-submit. Yan, may mga nag-submit naman na. And meron na akong record ng mga ayun nga, ng ninyo, mga nag-submit. Nasaan ba yun? Ayan, ito. Ayan, this one is the worksheet. Ayan, so pag sinabing worksheet, as you can see on the screen, ayan, pinagsama-sama siya na mga financial statement. Okay? So ito may balance sheet, may income statement, and then the trial balance is also included. Hindi to kasali sa financial statement pero the trial balance is also included. Pero pwede rin ganito, mas madami nga to klase. Meron pa tong adjusting amounts, ayan, meron pa siya. Pero yan, for this one, ito lang muna tayo. Ayan, sige, wait lang. Send ko lang sa inyo so you could check on your own. Sandali. Dali, klasa. Send ko na ngayon. Maliit kasi kapag kapag hindi nakakat. Ayan, send ko. Kapag pinagsama ko lang siya. Yan, class. Nakasend na sa GC. Pwede nyo na i-check. So, paano naman kapag itong worksheet? So, sige po, kindly check the So, lagay tayo ng cash. And then, meron tayong office supplies. So, isahin natin class. Sige, pakicheck nyo. Office supplies, and then we also have cleaning supplies. And then, accounts receivable. Meron din tayong machinery and equipment. We also have accounts payable. What else? Or capital. And then we also have withdrawal, syempre. Service income. Kasya ba yung dalawa? Angatin natin. Yes, Mr. Christian. Mr. Christian, may
Sure.
question? Yes. Yes po. What?
Sir, sa nilabas niyo po na PowerPoint nung last year po. Wala pong nakalagay.
Wala. Ano? Walang nakalagay na?
Office supplies po.
Last time? Iba yung title nun.
Opo.
Iba yung title nun. The title is parang equipment ata yung title nun or machinery and
The
equipment.
machinery and equipment lang po. Pero nakalagay po sa description, mga heavy objects po.
Like,
Like yung mga pang-production po, mga factory ata na may nakalagay doon.
sige, check natin. Check nga natin.
Hindi ko po nalagay yan.
Office supplies, check natin. Hindi naabot natin hanggang trial balance lang, right? Cleaning supplies ay nasa 7, March 7. Sige nga, kindly check March 7, check natin. Sa ating journal sa transaction. Wait. Kita ba? Yan, nandito. March 7. Ayan, buys detergents lang to. Hindi siya heavy equipment. Mr. Christian. Nag-backread kayo, tingnan nyo class. Kahit kayo din, check nyo. Buys detergents, stain remover. Tama, nakita nyo? Dry cleaning fluid, ayan, brooms. Hindi siya sa, ayan. Tama? Nakita nyo, class, doon sa pag-backread? Nandun yung transactions or events. Ayan. Nandun siya. Nakita mo na, Mr. Christian? Hindi. Kaya, kulang ng isang box. Tama na siya. Taxes and licenses. Okay na ba siya, Ms. Jamila? Okay na, no? Taxes and licenses. Lagyan natin ng expense. And then,
Utilities.
utilities? Wala. Oo, yeah. Salaries. salaries and wages, expense, ayan. And utilities. Ay, oo, yeah. Kailangan siya lagyan ng isa pa kasi meron siya. May trick dito later. Insert. Mag-shift. Ayan. Meron dito later. Ayan, sige po. So, pakitingnan yung accounting title or accounting code na cash. Ano po yung code natin? Will be 101, right? Sunod-sunod din natin. 101, office supplies natin ay, tama, 102. Cleaning supplies natin, sunod na lang, 103. Enter. Accounts receivable natin, 104. Machinery and equipment, it's 105. Accounts payable, 201. M-Oro Capital, 301. 302. 401. 501. 502. And 503. Okay, next. Trial balance natin, we have 397, tama? 397,000. Okay, office supplies, debit, we have 1,500. Cleaning supplies, we have 18,000 debit. Accounts receivable, we have 25, nasa debit side din. Okay, tingnan nyo class ay nandun sa trial balance. Tingnan nyo po. Nasusundan nyo class? How about the others? Nasusundan? Sige po, yun. Tingnan nyo lang, nandun lang sa trial balance. Ayan. Thank you for those who answered. Yes, Miss Jamela, meron? Meron tayong mali.
Sir, tanong lang po, yung sa accounting code po ba, kailangan po same kung ano po yung nasa ledger?
Oo, mali ba? Mali?
Ay, mali po.
Sige, ano dito? Ayusin natin.
Ay, wait, ito po.
Sige po. Cash. Oo, kasi hindi natin pwede. Kaya nga siya code eh. Kaya siya code. It's because kahit yung numbering lang, ibig sabihin yun yung tinutukoy mo na title. And vice versa. Sige.
Machinery and equipment po, yun po yung 104.
O, so 104 to, and then si accounts receivable ang 105.
Ano? Apo.
Ayan. Yun lang. How about yung iba? Okay siya?
Check ko po, wait.
Sige. Ayan. So again, the code must be aligned to the code on the ledger. Yun. Doon may code eh. Doon may coding. Doon nga din sa general ledger, sa general journal, di ba merong F doon na nakikita nyo on the, before the debit? Yun, yung F. Yung iba, ganon din. May coding din doon na sinusunod. Meron din doon coding. Kaya coding, okay. Okay na. Thank you, Ms. Jamela. So, ayan. Sige, proceed na tayo again on the amount. Machinery and equipment natin, we have debit side 250,000 pesos. No pa. Accounts payable, we have 150. Ayan, ang normal balance again ng payable. Liabilities ay nasa credit. So 150,000. Ang capital natin based on our trial balance ay 500,000. Withdrawal nasa left yan, 10,000 pesos. Service income nasa right yan, 129,000 pesos. Ano pa? Taxes and licenses, lahat yan nasa left. Lahat ng expenses. 12,000, next 30,000 pesos. And utilities expense, we have 35,000 pesos. Lagyan natin ito ng expense. Okay. So, total lang natin yan equals 1,000. Tama ba, class? 1? No, oo nga. Bakit 1,500? Okay. Ito yung cash. 500. Ayan. 779,000 pesos. Equals. Okay, yan class. Parehas na siya. 779. Next, punta na tayo sa balance sheet. Yes, Mr. Christian.
Sure, ba't po magkakaiba po ba siya yung debit at credit card sheet?
Ito? Hindi.
Panimbawa po, trial balance sheet, income statement. Magkakaiba po kung saan po nakapwesto yung debit at credit.
Opo, yes. Magkakaiba. Magkakaiba yan. May iiba dyan mamaya. Meron siya. And then, iba rin yung amounts. Meron dyan, mag-iiba yung amounts. And then, hindi kasi siya kaparehas nung later on, I will explain yung amount na iiba. Okay, that's why important yung pag-present. Ito yung sinasabi kong worksheet. Again, the worksheet is not included in the accounting cycle. Hindi mo yan makikita on the accounting cycle. Pero this worksheet will give the accountants and the bookkeepers the preview or the overall view ng kanilang mga amounts. And then ng kanilang mga kailangang adjustments. And the ending balances. Ganon siya ka-importante. Ganon siya kahalaga. Ganon siya. So, balance sheet. Nasa balance sheet na tayo, class, ha? So, kung nakikita nyo dun sa balance sheet, di ba walang debit and credit? Ayan. Pwede ba Hindi po. Wala pong shortcut. Walang shortcut, ha. Pag-produce ng worksheet, dapat na meron kang backup ng financial statement na trial balance, the balance sheet or yung statement of financial position and the income statement. Madami pa nga to, class, eh. Itong worksheet, composition ito ng meron pang adjusting amounts. Ayan, meron pa siyang cash flow. Marami pa to, class. Since tatlo lang yung natap natin na statement, tatlo lang yung inilagay ko. Madami to. It is composed of lahat ng mga may ending amounts. Yung mga ganito, may totals. Ayan. So, hindi pwede po na diretso lang na worksheet without the basis no solo or separate na. Okay po? Clear ba? Yan. Sige, balance sheet na tayo. Kaparehas lang din yan. Okay? 397. Dito, sa loob ng ganito, yung mga nasa columns siya, almost parehas lang siya. Okay, 1,500. Pero, hindi po kasi lahat kukuhanin nyo yung amount. 18,000. Accounts receivable, mayroon tayo sa balance sheet. Yan. And then, 250,000, meron din tayo on balance sheet. Sa accounts payable, ganun din, meron din tayo sa balance sheet. Okay, 500,000. And then, hanggang dito lang. Class withdrawal. Hanggang withdrawal lang yung ating balance sheet. Okay? Wala tayong service income, wala tayong taxes and licenses, walang salaries and wages, wala ring expenses. Okay? Ano yung kailangan dyan? Kailangan natin i-credit, okay? Credit the income na 52,000 pesos. Sige, i-add nyo, class. I-add nyo na. What if wala tong 52,000 pesos? Nasusundan nyo, class? Ayan. Ayan, sige. So wala muna to. Kunyari hindi nyo i-add tong 52,000 pesos. Tanggalin ko muna. Do you remember the 52,000 pesos is the net income? Ayan, sige. Kung hindi nyo i-add, magkano yung ating debit amount sa balance sheet? Dito. How much? Miss Gabby.
Sure lang po.
Sige po. Per 100 lang, Miss Jamela, per 100. 77. Yeah. Add lahat add. Add natin to lahat. Add natin siya lahat wala tayong i-deduct. Hindi siya katulad dun sa financial statement natin na may sinobtract tayo, mayroon tayong niles, yan ganon. Okay. How much, Miss Gabby? Ito po lahat. Oh, yeah. 702,000 pesos is correct. 702. Oh, ito sa right, sa credit side ng balance sheet, i-add nyo. So kita lang 'di ba 650. Are they balanced 650? Hindi po. What are you going to do? You have to add the 52,000 pesos ng income statement. Sa balance sheet kasi ito eh. So, ilan na? Inadd na natin. Equal na ba siya? Sige po, 150,000 plus 500,000 plus ito po yung income statement, ay yung income, net income rather, net income na 52,000 pesos. How much? Equal na siya, di ba? Yeah, 700, yes, correct, Mr. Nino. It's 702,000 pesos. So ano ulit yung effect? Okay, ano ulit yung effect? All we have to do is to add. Okay, ina-add siya dito. Wala siyang row class ha. Wala siyang label dito. Nakawawa naman. Walang label. Ayan. So, 52,000 siya, class. 52,000 pesos, di ba? Dito. Ayan. So, kapag in-add nyo na yung 52,000 natin na nasa net income, ayan. So, 52,000, mababalance na natin siya. So, as you can see, ayan, parehas siya ng amounts. Parehas na sila, 702,000 pesos. So, sige, abot pa. Kompletuhin na natin. Income statement naman tayo. Income statement. Paano naman sa income statement? Ano lang ang affected na amounts dyan? Service income, magkano? 129,000 pesos. Ayan. 129,000 pesos. Expenses natin, 12,000 pesos. And salaries natin, 30,000 pesos. And utilities expense, 35,000 pesos. I-add natin. Are they equal? Hindi din. Right? Ano yung kailangan idagdag on the income statement? Ano yung kailangan idagdag? Sa income statement naman, okay, will be same, 52,000 pesos para siya maging equal or balance. 129, equal na class. 12,000 plus 30, 42, 42 plus 35, we have 77. 77 plus 52, we have 129,000 pesos. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, class, this 52,000 pesos from the net income must be added sa credit side, okay, sa credit side ng balance sheet. Same with the income statement, pero nasa debit side naman, yung 52,000 pesos mo, para maging equal siya or balance. Naintindihan po kung paano siya computein, class? Ayan. Again, wala tayong classification itong 52,000. All we know is this 52,000 is from the income statement. Yes, from the income statement na must be placed sa credit side ng balance sheet. Okay, credit side ng balance sheet and debit side naman ng income statement. Yes po, sisend ko this one sa GC, sa ating group chat. Okay, are there any questions? Meron ba? Mahirap ba siya, class? Mahirap ba yung pag-prepare ng worksheet? Ayan, medyo mahirap kasi you don't know kung saan ba siya nilalagay yung amount ng ibang titles. Katulad nito, withdrawal, since you know na balance sheet hanggang withdrawal lang. And sa income statement, you know na ang titles na kailangan para sa income statement are the income, the revenue, and all the expenses. Ayan, yung amount lang na ito. Ayan. Parang kagat lang siya. Ayan. So, hindi ko siya pwede din ilagay dito, class, dito sa baba, yung additional na income amount. Okay? Hindi po siya nilalagay on worksheet. Ayan. You know that this 52,000 ay galing sa income statement. Ayan. Sige po. Let me share na rin this one sa ating GG.